back. This is Airtel Grid Girls Face of the Race.
well, अभी तक यहाँ पे कुछ टीम्स की प्रोग्रेस F1 कार की तरह है एंड कुछ well not so lucky.
Yes, a little slow, but winner सिर्फ लास्ट लैप में ही डिसाइड होता है. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल आप ले लीजिए ऑस्ट्रियन ग्रैंड प्री 2002 में रूबेंस बैरिकेलो को बोला गया कि आप थोड़ा सा स्लो जाइए ताकि माइकल शूमाकर ओवरटेक करके रेस जीत जाए. That is why communication is important. Your time starts now.
Take a right, go straight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now?
Yeah, keep coming. Yeah, there's just one entry. Go and again take a right.
Okay, taking another right.
Yeah, right and again a right.
काफी कॉन्फिडेंट लग रही है वैसे ये तो.
Left. Get out. Yes, keep coming out. Out. Dude. Shikha, where are you going? No.
रेक्टेंगुलर बर्म्यूडा ट्रायंगल में हमारी एक कंटेस्टेंट गायब हो रही है धीरे धीरे.
Okay, take a left then. Take a left. Come back. Yeah, left.
Okay, this is quite confusing. And now there's just a right. Yes.
We are doing pretty good as compared to the earlier team, but still not good enough.
Yeah, come out. Yes.
And she's almost out. Where are you, Shikha? Well done.
How did it go? When she's talking to me, I want to talk back right then because there's confusion.
How heavy is this thing?
Well, I am 55 kgs and I suddenly feel 110.
I have chosen running because I'm very bad with directions. Sometimes I even need a GPS to get home because I get really confused with ways. So I think Madonna would do a better job.
Keep going straight. Right in front of you, there is one gap.
Yeah, can
Go
see
straight.
it.
Now there's another gap on your right hand side.
Yeah, I entered.
Now, as you enter on the right hand side, right in front of you, there's a gap.
Yes, I can see I'm in the center.
Now, when you enter there on the left hand side, there's a gap.
Okay.
Now, keep going on your left hand side. Keep going straight. There's a gap in front of you.
Okay, I take a right.
Sorry, Madeline, come back.
Yeah, got you.
Come back. Now, when I told you to enter on the left, don't go on the left, go on the right.
Okay.
Yeah, keep walking that zigzag way. Raise your hand, sweetheart. I can't see you.
Here. You can't see me. Can you see me now?
Confusing now.
Chill. Take your time. Take your time.
Listen, now take a right again. Come out, walk straight.
Straight I go. Here.
Come, walk straight. Not there. Turn behind.
Okay.
Turn behind, walk straight. Yeah, straight. Now on your left. Now on your right. You're out.
That's it. I'm out.
Yeah.
Woo!
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ji. We thought that we would complete it in like 10 minutes, but as far as we have not taken a lot of time,
Yeah, I just hope that we
really happy.
met with the lowest time.
I hope we will.
So if you're ready, then your time starts
now. Go. अभी तक यही खड़ी है, बातचीत चल रही है, लेकिन अभी कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शन नहीं आया वहाँ से. लगता है वहाँ पर मेज पे कुछ गेम खेला जा रहा है. सॉल्विंग सब.
मोनोलॉग चल रहा है.
हाँ.
Go straight.
चलो, they have started. चलिए.
Okay. Going straight and taking a left. Now there's a dead end. Now where to go? Over.
Go left. Right.
Keep on taking right. Over.
अरे, keep on taking right से तो गोल घूम जाएंगे.
Be there. Okay, take a left.
Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you now. 1 second.
I can't hear you.
Yeah, wait. I'm not saying anything. Just be there. I can't figure you out. Where are you exactly? In the map. Okay, just do one thing. Take a left. No. Sorry. Take a right.
There's no right if I.
Yeah,
okay.
right. Okay, what you can see right now?
I can see a straight and a left.
Take a right. Okay. Come straight. Take a left. Yeah, come. Yeah.
Well done. Come. So where do you think you stand? कहाँ है आप?
Second place.
Second place.
Yeah.
आपको?
I think first.
फर्स्ट, अच्छा ये तो बड़ा एक लगा दिया आपने, चलो।
While I was giving her directions, I couldn't see her. Half the time she was like behind the grasses somewhere.
And half the time I couldn't hear her.
Yeah, there was a big problem.
Yeah, communication problem as is.
आई थिंक लड़कियां काफ़ी अच्छा कर रही, बट मैं इसके अंदर पूरा घूम गया हूँ। आई एम अ लिटिल लॉस्ट। इट्स हार्डर देन इट लुक्स लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। आई थिंक आई नीड अ ब्रेक, क्योंकि मुझे थोड़ी सी चक्कर आ रही है। सुप्रीत, कहाँ हो तुम?
Okay, come towards the right.
Maybe there is no right.
Try finding your own way.
छोटी है लेकिन बहुत चिल्लाती है।